Yeah, Mama Chain, Mama Crab, and TGMA Ahosepe so world of entertainment, the HGU, the Fata Nino Sumuno, Yadibi Sumo, Kakrabi, Ewa Hase. My name is Sandra, or Heme Ametiwa. Ajuma Adom Entertainment, I'm a Ghana for Chimwa. Mia Menegai, no Lamikel. Thank you.
Sister Sandy be a guy.
Thank you. Road to TGMA. Nice. Your kind of a giant man, no. I could say just why not a giant man because it's about TGMA. And I mean, I'm going to be maybe a Yahomatrophono. Now, what for me? Now, what share we talked? You know what I'm saying? Because I quite a lot of conversations. I was treating us so. Oko enfamem abonting amanone social ne so a man so kese I don't want to be part of it. It was a bijama mona adofo mo chema adwen ni gina so wo che na be se mo code o mo devote you. It wo cha wadwen na wo to. Because na no akwaya asem pin so a abaye Saliman etimi tu bi mane Ashanti Nation. Say your Ashanti agenda will not work. But is it about tribe? And it's about talent. We are here for the talent. From Anope 0302-211-70124. 0302-211-70124. Pacho Freme, Shewajin. Ne ni bresamba kwa no pe me de nam ne se wachina Ghana yeti enyate. Because wachina no alatafoi your rivals in Omonsu ye dwumadie e wo mukrom ho a you be know how they rock their red carpets. It is social for ne say aye huhu na me say na wo pesa mo chese na wo Ghana wo pesa mo chese enim dress yana doge na na akuado wo ho doge na na mama brown wo ho doge me squad ne tala Jocelyn Duma mu gina gina na wo kwa be a guys me ba me repi full Mad Max me shoe cry a baby €1,000 me dem be rest street no ma represent Richmond I jo here no ma me fa Ben. Hi, good morning Ben.
Good morning, Stephanie. What to say?
Ba try na frame me fi no pay.
We feel aguna
nya krom obi a ho ye na aguna nya krom for say VG and TGMA is no hwane na efa crew and artist of the year no so hwane na efa.
Oh, can promise now never
because great. But I see people free. Ben Chemo aguna nya krom for say can promise. Now, Yemoshi call the biggest category of the night. That is artist of the year. Eho obi o bia no e kire se wabo homodin year under review. Don't underestimate the nomination. Afei na we deserve anko onim. It will be no. It simply means one thing, that will be a bon homodin. But it's between King Promise and a King Paluta. Obiaba homano so. Adikwanti anko for eka King Promise no we dia menam na metete na mesumidi beja. We cry and Sister Sandy na kasa abonte so for na kasa family. Omo chiremu a last year na King Promise deserve, but a swerve no. Enti this year no say unko for be your homework no mo de ama no se na be ya asem de na asem beko. But that's not how we do it. A year under review adwuma omodem bo stages awafro. And I see the numbers kadia. Can promise me check it terminate an impono. 63 million views. And I'm check him akoma by Ken Paluta. 6 million views. Tobo mechumo. Can promise no a month ago. In fact, I think a year. And I can Paluta. I can Paluta dear no. Barely 7 months ago. You get what I'm saying? Obiaba. So hi, good morning, Isaka.
Good morning, madam.
Salam alaikum, Isaka.
Salam alaikum.
Pacha hina frame if you no pay.
Pacha me free takwa. Abosu.
Takwa. Now almost the same. Takwa for us the same. Almost the wine artist of the year no.
Oh, there you are you nipa ya dia otaye.
Mo proud.
And keep Paluta no. Keep promise award no wajia manadoso. So So,
Okay.
Kipaluta wajawa can promise wajawa da man also but nipa ya do say mu so fa ma Kipaluta because the man why you know wa o ya duma no people yin artist ni but yin 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 stream no mu yin by am ado na so nipa no wa che come underground 15 good years na say am ado no wa mainstream no yeah duma na o say mu de man na mu jai can promise because no wa jabre nipa de o ya de o say
but I see say Isaka or frame. The Isaka can know a argument on the street and Confonso can say. Sanya be muano at tinimo rema break in Paluta underground for 15 good years. Nanga me a in a pee. Allah eshrano in a pee. Nan in Shoma air. They feel like this is his year. But that's not how it works too. And yes, I know Juma or Academy Board News or more year under review. But I say year under review, no. Paluta is the most featured artist in Ghana. Check the records. Say year under review na Academy for the year Jumano. King Paluta Ghana ha. Say year under review no. He is the most featured artist, including gospel artists featuring him. And you know, sending in our hit songs. But I could claim who tones you. Everything is a hit song from the camp of King Paluta. It's King Paluta, eh? Mami Phoebe, hi, good morning. Good morning. I'm saying to me, Angel, so. And to say na, Patience, good morning. Good morning, Ope.
Morning.
Hello, Patience.
Yes, yes.
Good morning.
Morning.
Pacha, hina frame if you no pay. Pacha, hina frame if you no pay.
Because of that, Santi Mampo.
Okay, now as Auntie Mampon for say why na F artist of the year no.
Let us say, when the crowd, the other come in me did that sign.
Pacha, Ola, be na maintain no. Pacha, o say.
The person on farmer, come the crowd with the other come in me for quite sign back. I'm not do.
I'm not do. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's it. Before far about man. So Ra, good morning. Hello, Ra.
Yes, yes, Sandy.
Good morning.
Morning.
Me pacha hina frame me fan up Ra.
I can say free Sunyani.
Okay, now Sunyani almost wine F artist of the year, no.
I see Kwaku smoke na efa. Kwaku smoke ku farmer 31st.
Okay.
Kwaku smoke fa dia na me aba. Kwaku smoke wa below.
What's what can
some Kwaku abele.
What's very is what can some pan because Kwaku smoke on so another artist. I was say yes. Once I didn't acquire banter between King Promise and King Paluta and when you smoke a film. But smoke a great guy. I made the pan say. I think a Ghanaians many years. But yeah, it was street and so. You pet trap music, you know. We've been listening to Kwaku Smoke way back on the 8-town records. Hey yo, we a guy saying why? Oh yeah, sure, have you seen this? Hold on. Question. On the Kofi Mulimo. And to me, I made the sell more money say. But besides say yeah under review, no. Yeah, when you say artist the corner of artist of the year, no. You should have more than one hit song. Artist of the year, no. Also, you have more than one hit song. Team can promise. I'm say we Terminator, no. Now we Paris ni free moi. Mbeti mi abobo bidia. Mon fambra na madam me kwa na me koma award mi bisaye dey. But can promise there. Abonte ho de. We know a lot of songs from the camp of Ken Promise. Penyu, Akola, Abrocho, Gano, Sebi, Crano, the rural areas of Crano, they sing in Paluta song. Obiaba, so hi, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Pachahina for me, Frano Pay.
Me fell free a Blakuma.
Pachana Blakuma, almost a wine echo.
Oh, wait, I was taking promise in foul. King Promise.
Okay.
Yeah, he did so well. He did so very well.
Okay.
He deserves it. Yeah.
Okay. But I see Peter Ofre. Yeah, my main family caller. Hi, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
This to be a guy.
Hey, we a guy. He not for me, Frano Pay.
Kofi Oforidua.
Koforidua. Na Cove Town for some wine F artist of the year, no?
Oh, artist of the year, there. It is between Blacko and Kimpaluta because Usha, no Maya the pa this year.
I don't think this year Black Sheriff is this year, I'm sure say Blacko can category no. I stand to be corrected.
Then it goes to Kimpaluta.
But I'm sure say Blacko can. Nah, artist of the year. So, me da sipi so friend. It's say na, this arguments na kwaye can promise, can paluta, akwaye kweku smoke. These three names are a poppy a pan with social ne so pan. Omo mumbia, omo fan base ye de but the three names are mabubwe. Koso. Why ne one more than one hit song? Why ne most featured? And a third one na a risky no. They were through international stages. The one I can promise. Lady Franca. No, they were through international stages because Can Promise did his own show. Can Promise tour, no any show. Can Paluta so approaching for a friend ye show. Kweku smoke na min name so boy approach show bia. Babusu aye hu. But my family last caller. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Pasha hina afre mi friend no pay.
Badwam Ahosepe.
And so say krom di aye say obeboti ama Kempaluta wo ho.
We na straight smoke.
Straight. Kweku smoke say American. Nice. Okay. Okay. But I see Kweku smoke American, Kempaluta American, Can Promise ye gamanche. We no aya grown yedi. Aya awards. Enye gidi. U favorite betimi afa, u favorite betimi aswewe no. Enye ntokwa. Enkoye mo hu gidi meka obete odwe wo debi. Mamu mepie mesesa nkonya. Respect yourselves. Ufa fine, one far, keep on doing music. We are here for the talent. What you say? I heard red carpet in the last year. Sanya, a call not this year, non cry and say this year you need an invitation before I bet me a red carpet in the so. Ola make a bon some organizer said, oh, master pan so material. Because no beer to look for red carpet. And won't say, that's why I'm bebre. But Saturday we call because Saturday we no alata for no so the award to be sheshaso. You know how they do it on the red carpet. Into this year say ansem. So no snow be akwoja so aye be feel we ya ni omu jemu social no so pa. Utim se fa Ghana ni ba ko ni afa lata ni e compentade. Ni nyina ya agro nye ntokwa. But say na last year no omukoi ema ye yenhwe na yenhwe sa ne enko for represent last year. Na this year no yenhwe omo mudi war front na nim amaye. Na say we no so we the way ekojina red carpet so a so we like yo it's about time mobile respect nurses for the professional. It's about time because sadia na modern nurses for near ma unko TikTok no be a nurse for atade no the chat content be ma no a nurse for mu profession. Wow, you don't respect the nurses. Yo, it's about time. Anyway, now we wash a nurse atade. Jackie ni, Jackie ko represent my kama. When why if you cry, netizens ye be kind with social and so. Netizens, or me be kind. Lady Benedict Agafa, war front liners no can home. One of my do more quiet corner. What can who as they say no one any doubt so Benedict Agafa. Kwajigana, way on kahon. Way on kahon mama yenko yenhwe frontliners na akwiado pan ni pa anopa me pa ocho me krankokọ miensa snap miensa a me de friend na akwiado Ghana nyine ni da so na akwia pie beje yen ye bese watch na akwia so wa makapet no so a lawu bra na beje Jackie obeba fine but na last year netizens na kana ya na eja wemiem because na dey akon efia man kwata maklo me yesanka Dr. T oni abna poku atema mo me yenko o man for ma adwen amame ka by now yenya frontliners eti monkwa na yen share red carpet into frontliners no omo e kwa akon no na na akua do mede nsa apa ne chow beneta gafa misume fro beje yen Justin Dumas squad no ho chare ye wonipa it's no say na be ya wachina de be kwaso bia no ye be twa agudi bi abremo say oni so be kwa frontliners no ha me ma ne de am yet to know me KM ja me ni po betimi akoje ba de mo nkoma ye wate eti ade ni gina abremo juada de be kwaso e wo social no eso ma ho fa men igilwe a new collection on my friend Sack Nation. Once a sack, you're designing your material. No, who I just say a demonstration, very unique. Or more, Tessano, same building with Starbite restaurants. But more than share or more. Na Mount San Kebi, and our phrase 0266 112230. But your family birthday, mammy, wishing on that. One rabu moi, neba abe moi ne aid in a birthday. Na me wishing no. L Boatin OPD Monfa L who came na menchiano but me try L ningina no Eugenia Baden will make up department on the team and name the mama Ken Osmosis no Lamikel our sound department our more a warso MC a warso Thomas and Millicent mungina wa ha happy birthday and comma L Boatin Boatin ye Juma Holland Insurance Head Office and when you do 26 years way free ma me honom Honorable Mavis Kukwa Bisiu Boatin Honorable Anopen Pacho Meche Honorable Mavis Kukwa Bisiu Boatin or ye MP for Hunter West constituency and our offer CEO of Buffalo Puff Puff Mr. Bernard Bisiu almost on mama wada passion ko El Boatin and the Holland Insurance or the KK besu de nyame sure na onto nkwane much love and to my mama Mercy Esiedu oh mommy happy birthday from all of us na me heard him say ka fi show in ka be na nka wa frame me but the way ngang ba say it me be fie shesheni ma no sanya aye na nnuane no ye ba be di we love you too much we love you I mean sure onto nkwane happy birthday from Yengina Yawaha. Me the sister Sandy be a guy. I'm the guy's queen. If you man kwata maklo, I share Mother's Day and I say or fell so pa who said pass will be near the ade. So no answer na paye or bay MC no, because other way na paye and market to men no, ye celebrate a fiaman kwa and a host for the day. And untino a man for her and a jumaya so any can health you know why ye ho ye panty a friend of Dr. T. Eufia Dr. T no say never be apa
oh yeah god
we are you ready now
eh we ready that's papa